Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C53 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and then switch to the video mode. Let's tap on it. If you can see this red color inside the shutter button, you're for sure on the video mode. It's quite important because the settings are divided between the modes. So then we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got the video section. The first option is connected with the resolution of the rear camera, and here we've got three different options from which we can choose. So 1080p with 30 frames per second, 720p or 480p. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. Simply tap on the one you'd like to set, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.